Hello! Today we will be assembling a small DIY car first aid kit. All of my items will be contained right in this repurposed can of beans. So, what I did, stripped the label, cleaned out the inside, filed away this sharp opening here so I don't cut myself. All my items will be contained in this can by using a resealable can lid. Ordered that right online, pretty awesome. One of the first items I have in here, hand sanitizer, triple antibiotic ointment, some gauze to either clean out my wound or stop the bleeding, some antiseptic towelettes, pain management, any kind of over-the-counter pills that you already have at home. Advil, Tylenol works just as good. If you have to create a fire for light or for warmth, we've got a candle, some cotton swabs to get a fire started, and a lighter. Matches work too. Also in my kit, I've got a small razor blade. We can use to cut anything, but we're thinking, if you have to cut yourself out of your car, your seatbelt, you can use this. Additionally, I've got a small light, just in case I need to find anything in the dark. As you see, I'm also wearing a reflective vest. Its reflective properties will allow other cars to see me if I were to break down on the side of the street at night. Lastly, what I have in here is a small whistle. I can alert anyone to where I am.